Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if your personal hotspot disappear from your iPhone. So let's start. So first thing we need to do is to go to the settings. So just open the settings, and in the settings we need to find, so I will show to you how it looks like. So now here you can see that also, if we go back and open again our settings, you can see that personal hotspot disappear. When we close it from multitask, it will disappear, and now you can see that it's not available. So it's not available because we turn off our mobile data. So if you turn on here in mobile data, just go back, or cellular data, it can be named on your phone. And now here you can see that it successfully become available, personal hotspot, so we can open it and just turn on here. So this is a way how you can fix your error. So if your personal hotspot disappear from your phone, so just try. I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.